Hello everyone, my name is Michelle Galanis Doctora, BS Criminology, first year. So for today's, we are going to talk about the ethics, which is ethics stand for in a certain ways, which is doing right or wrongs. So for today's, we are going to back in the history of Adan and Eva. Bumalik tayo sa panahon ni Eva, when di pa nila alam kung ano ang tama o mali. Pero, ginagawa nila yung mga tama. Which is, matulog, kumain, mag-alaga ng hayop, tsaka magsilbi ni Lord. Pero hindi nila alam kung bakit nila ginagawa yon. Basta ang alam nila, responsibilidad nila yon kay Lord. But, dumating ang panahon na nagkasala si Eva nang dahil sa temptasyon, which is doon nila nalaman na mali, na ano ang tama ang mali. Doon nagsimula ang ethics, which is doon na sila nagsimula na mahiya na wala silang damit. Diba sa panahon ni Aba at Edan, wala silang damit, pero hindi nila alam, hindi pa sila nahiya doon dahil hindi nila alam mali pala ang hindi magsuot ng damit at nakakahiya. So yung nalaman nila na mali pala yon at hinanap sila ni Lord, sila kasi nahihiya sila. But until generation to generation is na-influensyahan tayo at alam natin kung ano ang tama ang mali. Kaya tayo nabuhay sa mundo dahil sa pagkakamali ni Adan at ni Eva. So, let's go back to our topic. That is just a introduction. Gawa-gawa ko lang yon. Which is, Ma'am Opilenia give us a questions, which is, what is your personal stand on ethics? What do you think ethics is important in your daily life as a student? So for me, ethics is very important for us. It's really stand out. It's really sophrically proglastics is pialidocious. And because if there is no ethics, are we here today? Are we wearing a clothes? Are we wearing a bag, or are we going to school? So let's find out. So ethics is important in my daily life as a student because as a human, we have the ethics. So as a student, it helps us make decision making, which is dapat nating malaman kung anong ethics dahil baka mag-decision tayo ng mali. Tapos, in the end, tayo rin ang mag-aari nito. So, mas maiging malaman natin kung ano ang tama ang mali para pag dumating ang panahon na magdesisyon tayo para sa ating sarili o para sa iba, is tama yun. At saka maganda ang outcome. And the second example, which is, kapag makipag-usap tayo sa hindi natin kakilala, alangan naman na, hoy, saan ang daan? Diba? Mali yun. So, dapat natin malaman kung ano ang good approaching, which is, magtanong ka muna. Pwede magtanong? Saan ba yung daan? O, diba? Para yung outcome, maganda rin. At saka yung socializing, dapat mo yung i-earn. Tsaka yung trust, dapat mo yung i-earn. And that's not selfish. That is a good doing. Because, it's hard to trust people. Madaling mabrokyo at hindi madaling maibalik. So, it's good to it's help us to doing good decision making, diba? And if there is an assignment, if you know what is right or wrong, mapapaisip ka, gagawin ko ba itong assignment o hindi? Pero kung alam mo kung ano ang tama, gagawin mo. Dahil kung may pangarap ka, pipiliin mo ang tama, diba? So, that's all. Thank you.